Welcome to Medicare for All Explained. This podcast will enlighten our listeners and dispel the distortions that surround Medicare for All. Medicare for All Explained is produced in collaboration with Physicians for a National Health Program and is hosted and produced by Joe Sparks. I'm your host, Joe Sparks. This is episode 110. We don't need health insurance companies. It's time to get rid of health insurance companies and move to Medicare for all. This point was driven home to me when I went to pick up a prescription at Costco. If I would have used my insurance, the cost would have been more than $86. I knew from a previous experience to ask the clerk if it would be cheaper without insurance. Wow, was it cheaper? Less than $20. I paid 4 times less when I did not use my insurance. This also got me thinking about how health insurance companies add more stress to patients. They regularly deny care, sometimes without even looking at the files. In my opinion, they make it hard to appeal and often take a long time to respond to appeals. They suck money and try to avoid paying for care to save money. There's no reason to keep them when we can have better and more comprehensive care with Medicare for all. One final note, if you want to save money on prescriptions, check out Costco. There was a time when I was without health insurance. I was buying a prescription at CVS, and the cost was about $150. The cost at Costco was around $40. I normally do not endorse companies on this podcast, but I thought Costco deserved to be mentioned. I also want to state that I am not getting any compensation from Costco, and Costco had no idea that I would be mentioning them. It's time to start spending our money wisely by getting rid of health insurance companies and moving to Medicare for all. This way, we can eliminate a large amount of administrative fees and save money. Thank you for listening. You have been listening to Medicare for All Explained. Remember to tell your family, friends, and colleagues about this podcast. Information about Medicare for All Explained can be found at our website, MedicareForAllExplained.org. The music for this show is Super Bubbly by Jesse Spillane. The logo was created by Lily Sparks. Thank you for listening.